Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this particular tutorial series, we are looking into the MAAB guideline. In this particular segment, we are looking for model hierarchy. In the previous tutorials, we have seen all these aspect of model hierarchy. In this particular tutorial, we will see the use of single variable variant condition. Let's get started on the same. So coming to the name, use of single variable variant condition, as the name suggests, we can use multiple variables or single variable to define different variation in a system with the help of a variant subsystem. So coming to the first example, single variable multiple condition. So here you will be using a single variable. There will be multiple condition based on single variables. So in this case, for example, you can consider a vehicle system in which you have three states. The first is neutral, the second is drive, the third is reverse. So in this case, whenever the acceleration status is 1, the brake status is 1, we are considering the system is in the neutral variant state. The entire system is a variant of 3 subsystem. Out of these, neutral, drive and reverse are the subsystems. Again, for the drive one, if the brake status is 0, you will be having the drive getting activated. If the acceleration is -1, then you will be activating the reverse. So here you can see a single variable is responsible for deciding different variant of the system, and this is the default variant state. So this is related to single variable. Next, let's jump into multiple variable and single condition. So in this case, we are considering a rocket launching system in which we are considering there are 3 variants for the same rocket system. One state is the state at which the rocket is not yet launched. Another system, like another variation, is the rocket is launched. One more variation is rocket is on the way to its target. Next, like in this situation, we will be using 2 variables. So here we will be using 2 variables to determine state of individual variant. So suppose if En or the ignition is on and stage is 0, the rocket is not yet launched. It will stay in the not yet launched variant. Then once the condition got satisfied for ignition and stage 1, it means that the rocket is in the launched variant, and then if it is En equal to 1 and stage equal to 2, then it will be at on the way to the target variant. So in this particular variants, the mass of the system may be differing, the thrust may be differing. So based on that, you can design a single subsystem with multiple variations so that you can do the simulation seamlessly. And in the multiple variable single conditions, so here you will be determining like single variables. With the help of single variables, you will be determining different variants of the states or of the subsystem. So you can find multiple variants. So what is the difference between these two? So here you can see you are able to use only a single variable, and here for determining all the states, you will be using all the variables that is needed for the implementation of variant condition subsystem. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or any suggestion, please share it in the comment box. We will be happy to clarify all the queries that you have to improve the experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.